Hi, this is my Reflective E-Journal for EDAD 768B. My name is Corey Barloggi, and it is July 12, 2022. The process is used to promote collaborative inquiry and problem solving with stakeholder groups are the following. First, meeting with the stakeholders such as the students, the teachers, families, and the community members. Get their positions, and then we relay the information to the necessary stakeholders that will meet the needs given by the individual stakeholders. So, for example, we meet, we collaborate, we discuss some problems, we come up with solutions for those problems, and then we talk about these solutions to all the stakeholders that the solutions could possibly affect. Also participating in leadership committees such at the site and in the district. So, for example, the school site council, the ELAC, being part of the student council, any kind of leadership groups that are going on in the district also, like attending the board meetings and being a part of committees that will help with the problem solving and also promoting collaborative inquiry, and being on those committees that are at the interest of our school site. Being a liaison between the district and the families. So, for example, being in charge of the family newsletter so that I could relay information from the district back to the families. So, for example, something on summer school or something with COVID that's related to COVID or something that's related to maybe family resource. So getting all those people involved and getting them on like a one contact sheet for the parents. Also, I think it's important that I'm approachable and available to meet, and then also to continue to practice camp and conversational skills such as listening, problem solving together, speaking openly and honestly, and being direct about the issue, because beating around the bush takes up too much time, because we want to be able to promote collaborative inquiry and problem solving. Steps taken or that I will take to develop greater public understanding of education policies and practices are to attend meetings for the site and the district, such as School Site Council, the ELAC, Title I, all board meetings, admin council meetings, elementary educational meetings, assistant principal meetings, any kind of meeting where I'm going to be receiving information on educational policies and practices. Even going through my emails from the district too, because they also relay information about policies and practices. Participate in leadership opportunities, for example, like the Literacy Committee, the Sullivan Dual Immersion Committee, Title I Committee, any kind of committee that also practices policies will help me better understand what is needed from me in the district, and also getting me to know these policies and procedures. Know the LCAP and the SIPSA goals, and even our school report card. Relay information from these committees to families using emails, verbal communication, family newsletters, and then holding family informational nights about maybe educational policies and practices that have come down from the district level to our site level, and give opportunities to have parents ask questions and to answer them. A personal goal for enhancing community participation in my school and district is the following. So, participate on as many committees as possible so that I can know what's going on in the school and in the district. Learn policies and procedures at the school site and in the district level. It's important to be familiar so that when I'm handling an issue, that I know the policies and the procedures. I meet with parents and teachers and students on a regular basis to discuss issues, and then use what I know, what I've learned, to better help them with the problem solving. Collaborate with stakeholders to solve problems, and then always have an open, honest partnership with my principal, and to encourages collaboration and problem solving with stakeholders, so that the learning and the instruction is enhanced at the school site level. So to be a team player, I think that's extremely important, that I'm not feeling that I'm alone in this, but that I have a team of a whole network of people where I can go to help people who have concerns or issues so that we can problem solve and best meet their needs.